Interestingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides. The away side has gone for this lineup. So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. Neymar, and here's a chance. Oblak collects. The goalkeeper plays it to his teammate. Back to the keeper. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. And that is a fantastic goal. Well, let's take another look at that. It's 1-0. Now Ramos. Here's Varane. Lovely passing here. Here's Mane. Great chance here. He goes to goal. What a finish. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. We need to see that goal again. It's 2-0 now. Now Ramos. Played back to the goalkeeper. They're moving the ball about so well. Alexander-Arnold sends it forward. It could be a chance here. Oh, Mane! Oh, and it's in. He's scored a brace. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. He'll be pleased with putting his team 3-0 up today. A commanding performance from this team. Really well played. Oh, the referee's given a penalty. Solid strike there, never in doubt. Neatly put away. Great composure. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Probably a bit too late, but that goal will give him some confidence going into the next game. Now it's Coutinho. And it's back to the keeper. He did well to win the ball back. Their passing has been so accurate. Ooh, quality defending there. Sterling. And he stayed onside. Game being played at a fast pace. Let's hope it starts that way in the second half. A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? The game is 3-1. Can the training team close the gap in the second half? And Danovich collects the ball. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. Neymar. That's nicely played. The shot's on. Mbappe. They're appealing, but he's onside. That is outrageous. Finds his teammate. Great patience here. Passed inside. Keeper gets the game going. Defender is on the ball. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is quality. 2 goals to his crisp passing. Headed on. Good distribution. Now Ramos. Great patience here. He's headed the ball forward. Passed well. Making use of the wide spaces. Confident pass. He's onside here. He's got the goal in his sights. Mbappe, a deserved hat-trick. He's on another level. Well, I think we're all looking forward to seeing that goal again. He was far out, but didn't put the player on. Fantastic finish. 3 well-worked and deserved goals from this player. The manager will be extremely pleased with his performance. Alexander-Arnold. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder